Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Range Rover Evoque. So from any screen, well, whatever screen you're on, if you click home menu, it takes you to that. You've got phone, please pair phone, search new, click search new. I'm going to go into Bluetooth, watch out at the bottom, device to vehicle. Please use your phone to search for this vehicle, Range Rover Evoque, hands-free. Click on hands-free. Now again, hopefully, I've not just found this guy who's parked in front here. Put a PIN number in, I'm going to use 4 noughts, click. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro is trying to pair, yes. So it will now ask me for the PIN number, which was 000. Okay. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. You'll see there your sat nav on your phone has come up. That's it. Phone connected. Easy as that. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your mobile phone through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Range Rover Evoque. So we go to music. Let's see. Oh, we don't want that one. Bad Moon Rising, that'll do. So Creedence Clearwater. We'll click on play. You'll see at the bottom, this is playing at the moment. There's no sound coming out of the radio. If I click at the bottom there, you'll see we've got the phone set right. There's a tick next to Range Rover Evoque. So anything that plays on here, whether it be YouTube, soundtrack, iTunes, Amazon Prime Music, whatever, it will play through here if we have it set right. So now we go over to audio video. You've got My Music here, that's on radio at the moment. Click My Music. You'll see there's no plus there next to My Music. And it tried to connect to an iPod, which is obviously what the person had before. But now it's not connected and there's a plus on it. We'll click the plus. Here we go, CD, iPod, USB auxiliary, Barry's iPhone. Click on that, and now if I turn this up, that's it. That's how you play music, stream audio. Brilliant. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Range Rover Evoque from any screen. It doesn't matter where you are. If you in another screen, all you have to do is click home menu. Because oh, hang on, I'll just cancel that. So you click home menu, you come up with this screen here. You'll see there, so long as there's no phone connected, this is dead easy. Please connect phone. I know you don't want to connect to phone, but you still have to press it. So click on connect phone. Now it comes up with the phones that you could connect if you wanted to. You know, if you've got 5 phones in, they're all listed there. You would, if you wanted to connect it, you'd just press that one. But we want to delete it. So there's my phone, there's delete, click delete. Delete Barry's iPhone Pro. Yes. That's it, gone.